Hello, Dr. Greg here with another video about our nervous system. This one we're going to talk about the different types of nerves there are, and I'm going to simplify it. And basically there are three types of nerves, two kinds of jobs they do. Let's put it that way. So there are simple type A, B, and C nerves. Now the type A and B nerves are the faster of the three types of nerves. Type A is the fastest, type B is the second fastest, and type C is the slowest. So if you look at thinking type C is like walking, type B is like riding a bike, and type A is riding a car. So that's just to understand that the different speeds of these nerves, and there's a very important reason why there are different speeds. So there's also two main categories of these types of nerves. There's something called motor, and the other is called sensory. Now motor means moving my arm. So that nerve that moves my arm is a type A motor fiber. It just moves my arm, right? Now the type B and type C are more on lines of the autonomic nervous system. So the system that runs your heart, runs your digestion, runs your breathing. That's the autonomic nervous system. And those are sort of nerves to maintain it. And they are to make sure that things are running normally. They don't have to be as fast as this one, as the type A's. Now, the type A has the sensory and has the motor. This is motor. Sensory is the little receptors are found in my elbow and my wrist and my fingers all the way down. They tell my brain how things are going in that joint or that muscle. So when I do that, information comes back to my brain saying, this is as far as it goes, this is okay, it's not in pain, blah, 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 blah. Now, type B, again, is telling your organs what to do. Type C is also involved in that. But type C is a different kind of nerve. It's the slow walking kind of nerve, and it is about transmitting pain and temperature, whether it's cold, hot, or painful. So type C fibers are all about pain. Now, have you ever had, like, you banged your finger and it hurt right there, and then it started to spread? The pain in the finger started to spread to the hand, even though you just banged your finger. That's a type C fiber kind of thing. The type C fiber will spread out its painful input into your brain to tell you that not only did you hurt your finger, but your hand should probably not be doing too much because your fingers really hurt. That's what the type C fibers do. So when you ever had the long, burning kind of chronic pain, that's a type C fiber kind of situation. Like a quick jab, that's type C fibers, and the after effect of that jab, the type C fibers spread. And that's because type C fibers are not insulated. And they're not insulated for a reason. They have to transmit this pain over a long period of time, and it has to do with being protective. Now things can go wrong with that. So if you have things like neuropathy, or what we call diabetic neuropathy, that means the nerves are kind of dying a little bit. And when a nerve dies, we talked about nerve cells, they tend to be more active on their death throes. So a type C fiber, where you get pain and neuropathy and numbness, which is also a type C fiber thing, that means the type C fiber is not functioning normally and is starting to die. Now, what I want you to do is take a look at this. It's hard to see, but this drawing is all the nerves that are in our body. And you can see it goes all the way down to your little toe, all the way to the top of your head. You have nerves in your scalp too. And these nerves are all three different types. They're type A, type B, and type C. Now there are subcategories to these, but in order for you to understand, there's no reason to understand to know those categories. Just know that there's three types of fibers, two main functions, sensory and motor. Type A's are typically this kind. Type B's are your heart, your lungs, your digestion. Type C is all about pain. That's all for now. This is Dr. Greg, changing the way we look at health.